Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to study the poem The Cold Within by James Patrick Kinney. I will give a brief introduction about the poet. The author of The Cold Within, James Patrick Kinney, was born on March 16, 1923 in Ohio. On May 29, 1974, he left his world. A man of integrity, Kinney lived his principles and created a poem that spoke his heart. The theme of The Cold Within is selfishness, prejudice, spitefulness, malice, and suspicion, which leads to tragedy, death, and destruction. That means there is useless of discriminating between each other, futility of discrimination. This poem deals with the theme of futility of discrimination or hatred that humans have against one another. The poem projects discrimination based on race, class, and religion by narrating the story of 6 individuals who are caught together by chance in extreme cold. Also, the theme of lack of warmth in human relations is depicted here. The 6 men in the poem can be seen as representatives of the whole human race. It is sad that these men are overtaken by the feelings of revenge, spite, and anger to such an extent that eventually these prejudices lead to their downfall. If we selfishly hold on to our resources of the world and persist in discriminating on the grounds of race, religion, ethnicity, and socio-economic status, the human race would soon dwindle. The setting and form of the poem. The setting is somewhere in a remote place where help does not reach easily. The weather was bleak and bitter cold. 6 people were sitting around a dying fire. The form of the poem is a parable. Now, what do we mean by a parable? A parable is a story with a moral narrated as a poetry. Now this is the poetry. I will deal with the verses in details. The first stanza says, 6 humans are trapped together by chance in biting cold. Happenstance means by chance. They are trapped in biting cold and each of them has a stick of wood. This forms the setting of the poem, and against this background, the story is narrated. Stanza 2 shows the first person, that is a fair-skinned woman, a white lady. It is extremely cold and the fire that is keeping them warm is dying. It can be kept lighted only if one of the 6 men put his log to use. The first man, that is the first person, is a woman and is prejudiced when she notices that one of the faces around the fire is black, and she therefore holds her log back. The vice depicted in the first person is racial discrimination. She discriminates because of the color of the skin and therefore she did not share her log of wood. The second person is a religious bigot. Here the vice shown is religious intolerance. Another man looks across the way and finds out that one of the 6 men does not belong to the same church, that is the religious community, as his. This fact stops him from using his stick in the fire. He showed religious intolerance towards people who were not from his own church. Not a single man in the group was from his church, so he did not share his log of wood. The third person is a poor man. He felt jealousy and malice towards the rich man, and therefore he did not share his log of wood. He was sitting in tattered clothes. To protect himself from freezing cold, he gives his coat a hitch, but does not use his log to prevent the rich man sitting there from getting warmth because he was jealous. The fourth person is a rich man, and he was selfish towards the poor man. He thinks of the wealth that he has in store and how to keep it safe from the poor man, and therefore he also did not share his log of wood. The fifth person is a dark skinned man, a black man. His face looks revengeful, and the only thing visible to him in his stick is a chance to harm the white lady, to spite the white lady. Therefore, the vice shown here is spite, is revengeful. He was spiteful towards the fair skinned woman, and he wanted to take revenge by not sharing the log. The sixth person, that is the last man, was an opportunist. The last man of this lonely group did nothing except something for his own benefit. What rules him is selfishness. He gives only to those who give him something back in return. So he was an opportunist, and he did not want to share his log of wood since the others did not give theirs. And what was the outcome? Their logs being held tight in their hands in white death. All of them held on to their logs and froze to death. It is nothing but a proof of human sin. The poem ends with a note that these 6 people die not from freezing cold outside, but they die of the cold within their own themselves. The cold is the evil, the vices, the prejudice inside each one of them. So it was not the freezing cold outside that they died from, but it was the cold within their own selves, and the outcome was that all the 6 people, they died. I hope this video will be useful for you children. Do subscribe to my channel, like it and share it, and keep on watching my channel for latest updates. Thank you. God bless you.